Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in ES6, use destructuring assignment to extract values from objects. Destructuring assignments is a special syntax introduced in ES6 for neatly assigning values taken directly from an object. Consider the following ES5 code. Const user, and in here we have name property which had some value and age property which had some value. Const name equal to user dot name, const age equal to user dot age. Here is an equivalent assignment statement using ES6 destructuring syntax. Means this whole three line can be written in one line as this. Here a constant named name and age is defined with the value of John Doe and 34. Here the name and age variables will be created and assign the value of their respective values from user object. You can see how much cleaner this is. You can extract as many or few values from object as you want. Let's see the task for this challenge. Replace the two assignment with an equivalent destructuring assignment. It should still assign the variables today and tomorrow, the values of today and tomorrow from high temperature object. So we have a object which is stored in a constant named high temperatures. So here we are using this way to store the code, means store the value that is present inside the object. We can do the same work by using destructuring like this: today, tomorrow. It will check the property if means it will check if the property exists in object and copy the value from the high temperatures object. So there is no need for this now. And let's run the test. Oh, I misspelled tomorrow. Yeah, that's better. Let's run the test. And it's successful. Download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.